Welcome back, Life Dave. So I've just turned this one out. Got a signal ringing up 90, sort of 89, 90. It said it was quite deep. And I thought, it's going to be shrapnel. So I've just turned the clod out, and I do believe I can see it. That's the line where it was. Look, I've hit it right on target. Yeah. Useful, isn't it? Look at that. I don't know what it is yet, but it's sort of got a coppery, bronzy sort of look to it. There's a spoon handle or something. The ground is solid. I want to hit it in case it goes under there. I know how big it is, how far it goes. It's still going there. I don't know how far over it's got to go. Or how far this way. What is it? Just a random bit of scrappy metal. Or was it a spoon handle or bracelet or something? Still pretty solid in the ground, so I'll just lever it out in case I snap it. Looks interesting. Try not to touch it in case it's something other than scrap. It's moving. Ooh, that looks interesting. Looks a bit more modern though. I don't think it looks as old as I thought it was. Well, it's interesting. If it had a bit in the middle, I'd have said that was some sort of little chipping hammer, but well, fire iron, poker, soldering iron. It's that end that's throwing me there. Actually, if that was to continue, that could be the riveted end of a soldering iron or a fire poker, one of the two. If it had a handle on there that was riveted through those holes. Yeah. Well, there you go. That's different. That's the first thing I've found other than junk this morning. That's picking up me debris. Nothing else in there. So, yeah, just that. Well, the only other thing I've had this morning is junk, a horseshoe, a bolt and a washer. So, yeah, I'll take that. It's metal, we found it. Just a little marking on that then, but could be a little mark in there. You see that? 3 little dots. Like a leaf pattern or something. Definitely has some sort of mark in there. Interesting. Oh well, in the bag. Let's crack on. Nice. Happy days. Well, I've just turned out this clod. I had a nice signal. Sort of 30 to 36, 32s mainly. And I think, it's clear, but I thought, shotty cartridge. So I just started digging out another bit. And I clocked that. I thought it was a stone. I hang on a minute, that ain't a stone, is it? That is a nice little lead bag seal. That's a sweet one, that is. Nice. Not see any detail on it. Been a bit squeeged obviously at some point. No markings that I can see, but yeah, nice little signal. I'll say it sounded, I thought, you know, numbers shotty cartridge, but I mean they're coming up at like anything from 30s down to about 10s. But that just sounded clear, you know, not scratchy. Right, let's see what else is about. This morning's finds. Huge old horseshoe. Sort of rather old one. Soldering iron tip. Wasn't 100% sure if it was or wasn't, because it had a little branding mark on it there. I just got it confirmed, and it's made of copper, so likelihood is that it is a soldering iron tip. It's an old one. Lovely old leg bag seal. Then some took with a little bullet with a G on it. Tiny little fragment of metal, God knows what, but whether it was once upon a time a bit of coin or whatever, who knows. It's a bit thick, so I don't think so. 12 gauge, that rung up nice. Medieval washer. Big old bolt, chunk of iron. That rung up nice. I thought it was going to have a coin. But nope, just a ring. A few bits of alley. The old foil and can slaw. I'm assuming that's the end off a riding crop. Little metal end off a cane. Looks like the crop that I found last week. Just in worse condition. And that broken little bit there was once the reeds out of a harmonica. So yeah, nothing fantastic, but those couple of little bits there, nice little finds. A load of junk. Right, catch you all next time. Bye for now.